Why is my maintenance required light on? Scion TC explained. Your Scion TC's maintenance required light is on because the car's computer tracks mileage and reminds you every 5,000 miles for routine service, primarily an oil change and tire rotation, not necessarily indicating a serious problem. The light is a reminder to perform scheduled maintenance, and you can reset it yourself after servicing, typically by holding the odometer reset button while turning the ignition to the on position. Why the light comes on? Mileage-based reminder. The system is a simple counter that triggers the light after a set mileage, usually 5,000 miles, since the last reset, prompting you for maintenance. Oil and tire care. It signals time for an oil change and tire rotation, crucial for engine health and tire longevity. What to do when it comes on? Perform maintenance. Get your oil changed and tires rotated, as the light is a reminder for these tasks. Reset the light. After maintenance, reset the indicator using the following steps, for most models. Turn the ignition off. Set the odometer display to trip A, if applicable. Press and hold the odometer reset button. Turn the ignition to the on position. Don't start the engine while continuing to hold the button. Keep holding until the dashes on the display disappear and reset to zeros. Key takeaway. The maintenance required light is a helpful reminder, not a check engine warning for a breakdown. Resetting it after an oil change ensures it only comes back on when service is genuinely due.